How cool would it be if you can play GameCube games on the go? Time for a message from the future! Alright guys, so for this message from the future I just wanted to talk about this 4.3 inch IPS LCD GameCube system. So basically it's a Wii that they modified, chopped in pieces, and they put it in a handheld. And yeah, the handheld is 3D printed, so I was very curious what are we going to get. So they also included a tiny video, and I think it's very interesting to see what they are going to bring us, or this is, I'm guessing, this is what we're going to get. So the shell is a little bit similar like the PlayStation 2 Portable that I've seen in my previous video. If you didn't see it, check it out. And I think this is pretty cool. You can play all your original Nintendo GameCube games on the go, and it's not emulation, because if you can get yourself a beefcake, let's say handheld like a Mocu i7S, you can play some games like GameCube. But okay, so what are we going to get for the price? That is something I'm very curious about, because this thing costs $568. That is a shitload of money. But if you're looking at the PlayStation 2 Portable over here, this thing costs even more, $610. And what I understand of this is just with regular shipping. If you want to have FedEx, it costs even more. But I did a review about the PlayStation 2 Portable, and I must say I was not super happy with it, because you're paying a lot of money for a custom device and it is pretty poor. I did notice some famous models are having, let's say, more like famous Wii Portable system, but these are just high quality and 2 times, maybe triple time the money. So what are we going to get with the specifications? So what you already can see over here, and that is what I already mentioned with the Wii Portable, and it's something that is quite unique, because of course it has a compatibility with different emulators, so you can play Famicom, Super Famicom, Mega Drive and all the other stuff. Of course you're not buying a handheld for $500 for something like this, because we're having so many new options out there. The Wii and the GameCube, I think that are the most interesting things. As you can see, it has a lifetime, or they tried to say a lifetime, would be funny if you're having 90 minutes to play, but we're going to get back at that soon. And when you're looking at the 90 minutes, this is what they mean with how long you can play. It has a charger with a 32GB U-disc, 1 year warranty. Yeah, okay. What is this? The great God makes the latest 2020 feel first class. What do you want to say with this? Man, sometimes those texts are so weird. The latest kernel handheld comes with buttons to control the Wii. Okay, in other words, here it says that you're having a special kernel inside, so you need to have the sensor bar so you can move the cursor around. Alright. As you can see, it looks pretty decent, and it's a custom made casing like the PlayStation 2 Portable that I've reviewed. There's not a lot of information on this, but I can tell you there is no feedback. Fun fact that I was thinking somebody did made a purchase of this, and as you can see we're having 6 orders. So that kept me wondering who did made an order. And then we had a Retro Dodo. Retro Dodo sent me some pictures of his version that he got, and holy shit, I was surprised seeing that it was this shitty of a quality. So like he said, it's more like that Donkey Kong have sit on this device. It looks crooked as shit, and if you're looking at how the buttons are, the joysticks, everything is just rubbish. It's just one piece of shit. And to make it even worse, do you know that I remember that I said it has a lifetime of 90 minutes? Yeah, I think it's maybe true, because he posted on Twitter this video.
So I just picked up this handheld. It came from AliExpress. It's $500. I'm filming this for my own safety, because this thing literally just smoked while I was charging. Smoke was coming out of it. So I'm going to turn it on and see if it smokes. Obviously I'm going to try and get a full refund for it, but so I'm turning it on. Look, can you see that? Oh my god, can you see that? That's actually smoking, and I've got water here just in case, but oh my god. Can you see that?
Okay guys, so they conclude the message from the future. Yeah, I wanted to do a full review about it. I'm just going to be honest, I did make an order for it, but seeing this from Retro Dodo, I am out. No, I'm not want to see this thing, because for a fact we will lose money on this device, and I think you just need to avoid it. I will leave a link to the full review of Retro Dodo, because he's going to post a full review about it, and just need to check it out for yourself. And of course you need to make a decision if you want to waste your money on this. I think it's just a shame that they're bringing out so many shitty stuff like this. but it's always more like a very expensive gamble. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.